Welcome to this video lecture on force and the laws of motion, presented by Vishnu Kumar Dwivedi. In this session, we will explore the fundamental concepts that govern the physical world around us. Force is essentially a push or pull exerted on an object, causing it to change its state, direction, shape, size, or position. Imagine opening a door or pulling a drawer. These everyday actions are examples of force at work. Forces are all around us, influencing our daily activities. From gravity pulling objects down, to braking a bicycle, magnetic forces, and the resistance we feel while swimming, forces are constantly at play. Forces can be categorized into balanced and unbalanced. Balanced forces are equal and opposite, canceling each other out and resulting in no motion. On the other hand, unbalanced forces are unequal, causing objects to move. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist changes in its state of motion. It comes in three types: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction, each describing how objects maintain their current state unless acted upon. Newton's first law, also known as the law of inertia, states that an object will remain at rest or in uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force. This principle explains why objects don't change their state without a cause. Newton's second law introduces the equation force equals mass times acceleration, F equals ma. It highlights that the greater the mass or acceleration, the more force is required to move an object, providing a quantitative measure of force. Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This can be observed when jumping off a boat, causing it to push back with equal force, illustrating the interconnectedness of forces. Let's summarize what we've learned: the definition of force, types of forces, the concept of inertia and its types, and Newton's three laws of motion. Physics is indeed all around us.